Hi educators, I'm excited to share another awesome Patchr lesson with you, and this one is called MegaTouch and it's for the microbit. So in the MegaTouch lesson, we are challenged to create a custom printed circuit board or PCB that interfaces with the input pins on our microbit by BBC. This allows us to go beyond the basics of prototyping our circuits as we create our own custom unique hardware solutions. As always, there are endless possibilities of what your students can create, but through Patchr's unique guided lessons and design software, students of all learning levels will be able to find success. Let's get started. After launching the MegaTouch lesson through Patchr.io, we are guided through the fundamentals of how the circuit actually works by using resistive touch buttons. These buttons respond with the conductivity of our skin to complete a closed circuit, one that can interact with the code that we write on our microbits. But don't worry, it's totally safe to touch. As always, we are guided through the stages of this lesson by the Patchr co-teacher known as Squidly. Squidly just keeps us on track, encourages us to keep going, and lets us know when we may have run into a problem in our design. For the PCB board, you are provided with a sample shape that you're able to use throughout the lesson. But you can also draw your own board right in the Patchr Design Studio, or even upload a vector outline in SVG format that can act as your board shape. These types of shapes and board designs can be created in a lot of different programs that are suitable for students of all levels like Tinkercad, Google Drawings, or Inkscape. So it's up to the educator to decide the unique constraints of the lesson, but we love to see students designing their own custom unique board shapes to integrate into their hardware design solutions. In the next stage of the lesson, we're guided through placing our components onto the PCB board. For the MegaTouch lesson, this includes the edge connector to attach our microbit, as well as 3 touchpads to make the resistive buttons. The ghosted image helps us ensure that the components aren't too close to the edge of our board or overlapping, as this could cause potential problems in the manufacturing stages. But don't worry, Squidly always checks our progress and will let us know if we've made any mistakes. This goes for custom PCB board shapes as well. We then need to create a circuit by routing paths between the different components and our microbit connector. There's usually more than one correct way to route a path, but the guidelines help us ensure that we find success in this crucial stage of the design process. Lastly, we have the chance to customize our board through unique graphics and designs in our silkscreen layer. Students can add their names or the title of the project or even a personalized design to enhance their PCB creations. Once done, we finish our board and send it to fabrication. You will receive your custom PCB from Patchr in a kit that includes everything you need to assemble your circuit. This also includes assembly instructions which walk students through each step of the process, but for the MegaTouch lesson, it's pretty simple to attach the microbit to the custom PCBs using the hardware and tools included in each kit. We can then test our own custom PCBs using the sample code provided in the assembly instructions. But the lesson doesn't need to stop there. There are endless possibilities for this project, from creating game controllers or multiplayer interactive games to creating name tags or even hall passes. These different themes can integrate different coding challenges for your students at various levels, and we'd love to see students take their designs to the next level by incorporating aesthetics and ergonomics into their creations. This can be done by adding different materials or even 3D printed parts into their projects and custom hardware designs. Visit us at Patchr.io to start creating your own electronics today.